My parents put a tremendous amount of time and energy into growing and building this business. You never know what's going to happen. If most companies fail within the first 3 years, and we're in our 34th year, it says something amazing about what they've created.
I had a pretty solid math background. I always had designs on going into the Air Force, so I joined the Air Force. And they trained me in logistics. My colleagues from my previous job called me and said, I need somebody to make some cables. Do you know anybody?
I remember coming home one day from school and seeing a strange car in the driveway. And I went in and there was this woman in our kitchen working on electronics with my dad. And I didn't know it was a company, I just thought she was helping him build some things. I would help, and like, because you're young, you want to help out. And I cut wire with a ruler and a pair of wire cutters. She always would be wherever there's mechanical, electrical, or anything, she was always down there with me tinkering around. And she enjoyed doing it. And of course my wife says, well, you got to leave the kitchen. Believe me, it was pretty difficult the first couple of years. And right about the year 2.5, we actually made money. There was never an hour, I would say, that my thoughts were not, what can we do in this business to make it grow?
Hey Dad, remember I used to do this for 10 cents an hour?
I had an online store, an online business in the past, so I was able to take lessons from my corporate life, my online business, and really put those in place for the business. And my dad was able to see how we worked so well together, and that was an amazing thing. Our employees are like our family, and we invest in them. And in turn, they invest their time in making great quality products for our business.
Well, she's out and she's involved with everybody, you know, on a personal level.
Everything is important. Even if it's a $1 wire, it goes into something expensive, and it has to be right to make sure that we're doing exactly what they want us to do, that we're building it the way that they intended. Communication has been a huge part of why we have retained most of our customers. Our customers know exactly how long something's going to take because we tell them, and we deliver it when we say we're going to.
We've actually started this process, believe it or not, almost 3 years ago. 4 years ago.
We brought in professionals who helped us really start laying the groundwork, the foundation of what is this going to look like.
And Karla, with her determination and willingness to go and actually get an MBA in business from a technical college, you know, confirmed my thoughts that she would be the one to run the organization. Should give most of our customers a warm feeling that the organization is in capable hands. Looking back on it, I think having you involved in the business was a real joy for me.
Wasn't I just trying to get paid?
Karla, since she's been a young child, working on my kitchen table, has been hardwired to take over Electro Soft.